The tussle between the Aam Aadmi Party government and Delhi and the centre is intensifying with each passing day. The Supreme Court is set to hear the centre's plea challenging against the Delhi High Court remark terming its 21st May notification on the powers of the LG as suspect. Central government claims that the observations made by the High Court have left the equation between the LG and the Delhi government in total uncertainty. Kamaljeet Sandhu now joins us with all the latest. Kamaljeet, just tell us what really is the line of argument as far as the centre is concerned and also the Delhi government.
Well, Sanket, at this point, there is eyeball-to-eyeball confrontation between the centre and the state. And remember, this initially started between LG versus Delhi state. This is obviously a power tussle on how and who controls the officers. And now the contention by the MHA, especially after the notification, is that the services is also included in that. Now, many are obviously saying, including many of the eminent lawyers, they're saying that this services was never included as part of the constitution. And this is obviously a violation of law. This is what is the Aam Aadmi Party's contention, and that is why they've gone to the High Court. After the ACB order, which was passed in their favour, they've gone to the High Court against this particular notification of the MHA. They are expecting a certain favourable position on this particular bid. But the MHA, on the other hand, has approached the Supreme Court saying the judgment or the passing of comment, especially calling their own act a suspicious act, especially regarding the ACB and their notification in 2014, is something which is simply not done. It's unconstitutional. One, because MHA's own version was never heard of. The other part is that they wanted to put certain contentions, but obviously they were not given the opportunity. The centre and the state at this point of time willing to really fight it out. It's a very public fight, but remember, the ball at this point of time is in the court's hand, one in the High Court and one in the Supreme Court. We're also expecting a PC by Rajnath Singh at around 11:30 on the 1 year of Modi government. But this is going to be one fiery time. Both Arvind Kejriwal and Modi government not willing to back down on this power tussle.
Absolutely. Many thanks, Kamaljeet, for getting us all the latest. Short break on First Up. Be back with a lot more.